What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Give me a quick second. I gotta log in here. All right. What's up? Sorry, guys. I was responding to some comments on my shorts and stuff. All right. All right. We have data highs above. What's my bias? Want to see shorts? My bias is bullish right now because we're looking for these highs. You want to see shorts today? Why wouldn't with the data highs? Right now, looking for a setup to data highs. Let me crush. Let me crush. Let me crush. Let me crush. I trade NQ, yeah. Yeah, 925 candle gave us that volatility like usual. Hopefully we don't take out data highs. I want us to leave them, to be honest. I prefer what's wrong tool? I would prefer this, dude. Sweep the sell side down there and then along. Bro. This sell side here. Or even just like this low to the rough that gap there. Maybe you swing at market open. Filled this gap already, didn't we? Yeah, we filled it a little bit. But I don't want to long this high towards that. I would want to pull back a sweep of some low. So like this low. We'd have to deliver with that 5 minute, 15 minute as well. We'd deliver off the 15 minute. We have 10 a.m. news as well. Okay. We got 30 seconds till market open. We are getting kind of a pullback here, which is nice. We've not tapped into that 15 minute yet, though. We're already at 26 viewers, guys. Can we like up the stream? Can we like up the stream? We should be able to get to 10 likes, guys. Let's go. Tapped into the 15 minute there. I still want at least a sweep of that. At least a sweep of the low. Okay, so that's market open there. Sorry, I was not looking at the screen. I like that we left the data highs. And I like that we left the 930 high. Now, we would need a setup though. And there is no setup as of yet. Straight up. We're at 4 likes right now, guys. Can we run it up to 10 likes? We got 28 people in here. Let's run it up to 10 likes, guys. We just started stream. No trades so far today. Just tapped into this 15 minute, but we haven't swept the sell side. I prefer us to take this out, and we don't even have any gaps to long off of right now. But right now, I'm bullish with data highs. Financial Juice says we have a red folder at 10. I feel bad for anybody who took this setup, dude. Bro, I feel so bad for you sitting in this all day, dude. Straight up. Hopefully, it won't break you in there at least. 1 hour for partials. Yeah. Straight up. Let me go put my phone away. All right, what's up, Ian? Bro. Ian, can you hear me? Ian? Hello? Hello? Bro. What's up, Carlos? Am I trading unfunded? Yes, trading unfunded. What's up, Amir? Checking something with Apex Trader. Apex right now. Oh, Ian. One second. I need to get my 2FA. That's the only reason I work for my phone. Don't worry, guys. Yo, Ian. Can we make equal lows with this low now? So now I'm definitely not longing until we take this. All right, so we just took it there. But this price action is horrible, dude. Oh, we're on ES. I'm looking at the wrong thing. ES always has the equal lows. Why am I still on ES? Are both of these ES? Are we serious? Bro. I'm so confused on why NQ had the bars like that, dude. Straight up. All right, we got to get this data low out first. Got to get this data low out first. And then, honestly, preferably, we have some sell side down here. Okay, data low is taken. Now we have some sell side below. Preferably, we run all this. Are we delivering off anything? Nope. Maybe 1 hour. We're not delivering off anything, but we did sweep it all. Let's see if we soup it. For a data high here. We have previous day low right here. I'm pretty sure. No, that's previous session though. No, we already took out London though. Yeah, sorry. We have London high left. Ian? Ian? Ian! Bro, what is wrong with you? Alright, finally, dude. Bro, I was talking the whole time. What do you think about this? Oh, well, we didn't get it, but this 30 seconds was pretty gas. We swept sell side and then just like ripped up off of it, souping it, but it seems like we didn't want to soup it. We came back down. Target for breaking would have been 3-minute FVG. Oh, we have data highs above. We have a 15-minute gap here. We have data highs above on ES and NQ. Both of them have it, so. Okay, we do have kind of like a. Okay, in 10 seconds, we'll form this 1 minute. And we'll have a 1-minute mech model. Targeting the 5-minute gap. Delivering off this 5-minute. Or delivering off this liquidity here that we just swept. Only problem is we still have a form of sell side below. We have a previous AM low inside of that 15-minute, which we might sweep. At this point, this would honestly probably be the best one to get. Another highest time frame inversion. One other highest time frame inversion would be the 3-minute, not the 1 minute. And 1 minute didn't close above, so 3-minute is the highest time frame here. It just sucks how far the stop loss is gonna be. It's gonna be all the way at the swing low. What? Yeah, but it's on the same leg though. So break even would be at the 5-minute, target would be the data high. Yeah. It didn't even inverse anyways, so. Honestly, coming back down, sweeping the sell side here, previous AM low, and then getting a setup off of delivering off that 15-minute as well would be even better. I can't add your Discord, bro. Do you think we fade previous day low? Bro, previous day low is really far. Previous day low is like all the way down Where's previous day low? This is yesterday. Previous day low is all the way down here, dude. I don't think we're going for that. The previous AM lows, like, what'd you say, Ian? Well, my draw right now is data high. So I will leave runners to the data high. I won't full TP at the internal this time. Really feel like we're too close to the sell side to not take it. All right, we're so close to it, bro. It's a 2 a.m. candle gap. This is the same sell side, right? It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Yeah. All right, so better from an SMT with these lows here. I gotta switch my headphone battery. Okay, so NQ just took the lows. ES has not. Now we could get a setup off of this if we get a good one. I really would want to see a reaction off of these lows here. Here we have this unfilled 5-minute. Yeah. Definitely seems like we're not respecting this. I mean, we have London low below. I mean, this was not today's London low, but this was. I think this is previous day low here. Yeah, this is previous day low. Seems like we're going for this. We have an hourly gap at previous day low. No way we don't take previous day low when we were that close to it. That's actually crazy. What are we doing? Ian, you see that? Ian. Ian. Bruh, why can I not hear you? Don't think that's previous day low. That was low of yesterday. That was 2 a.m. It was yesterday's London. This was today's London. But what do you mean it's not? There's nothing below this. This is Thursday. London low. This is the low of Thursday. Today's Friday. So that'll be previous day low. What's your bias on today? Bullish because we have dead eyes above. Okay, so we just swept it. Oh, would it not be previous day low? Okay, so possible 30-second here. Damn, we're just dumping through this, dude. I'm bullish because of data highs, but we're just dumping right now. Ian? Okay. Yeah, I'm not taking that. Unless we get a... Okay. Oh my gosh, I missed my entry. I missed my entry. I missed my entry. Because I accidentally typed in 10. Oh my gosh, I missed my entry. We formed a 4-minute. Yeah, break even's still the same. We missed my entry, dude. We didn't pull back to my entry. Or I didn't set it up in time. Dude. Dude. It's gonna hit TP and I didn't get to enter. I tried to enter, but I thought it was on micros. Please don't, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is actually so annoying. Please go break even. Please go break even, bro. Please do not hit TP. Yo, I will get so mad right now. Bro, I literally clicked the button, but I'm on the wrong contract. Please go break even. Please deliver off this 3-minute. 4-minute. We have a 3-minute and a 4-minute. Please deliver off of it. That is actually so annoying. Such an easy setup, bro. Such an easy setup. Please. Please go break even. Oh my gosh. We're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. We're chilling. Please go break even. Please go break even. Go break even. Nice. Okay. All right, I'm not mad anymore. Okay, good. Ooh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy crap. Wait. Oh, did you take that, Vlad? Yo, I'm sorry, bro. Yo, Vlad, I'm sorry, bro. I tried to limit enter, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to like. I mean, entry would have been like screwed if you were not limit entry. Yeah. If you were not limit entered, you would have been screwed there. I mean, not screwed there, but either way, it would have been horrible. So that's why I wanted a limit entry, and I went to set it up, and it just didn't give it. Holy crap, dude! I mean, it did give it, but I was too late, bro. Like, cause I typed in 10 cons, and I thought it was on micros, and yeah. Holy crap, dude. Okay, so now we left a 5 minute here. I hope we leave this 5 minute for a little bit. I hope we get something to it. Holy crap, bro. I was mad there, bro. I'm not gonna lie for missing that. Because I put my stuff in and everything. Yo, Ian, are you there? Ian. Yo, I'm sorry. I know the bias is bull, but that 1 minute short is just A plus. Put 1 minute short. Nah. We're going into a 5 minute gap or hourly gap. I wouldn't have taken it. If you're in it, you should be at least break even now where that hit it. Where this hit. $9.35 shorts. $9.35. Talking about this? Hell no. This is straight up fading data highs. No, I wouldn't even say A, bro. It's completely invalid because of data highs. Once data, if data highs get like proven that we're not getting them, then it's the same thing. But now we're just too low in discount to short here. If this hourly closes below, that would give us a bearish bias then to like this low. But we have 10 a.m. news here coming up in like a minute, so. This is Wednesday though. A low from Wednesday. I think this is Wednesday low just in general. 4 hour gap there just randomly. All right, we still got 2 minutes till news. I'm gonna go. All right. 7 seconds. Financial Juice does say it's red folder. All right. Did not really do too much. Maybe would have messed up a position you're in, but not really do too much. Okay, we have a 3-minute long here. 1 hour did close below. So I don't necessarily want to be bullish here, to be honest. Yo, Ian. You see the 3-minute? Ian. Ian. Bro. Ian. Why can I not hear you, dude? Output. It does say you're talking. Say something. Nope. Wait, my headphones are. Bro, my headphones are off. My headphones are off. All right. All right. Hmm. Oh, this is a data though. So yeah, probably just gonna have to flip biases here because the inverse of the hourly. And this is like the data low from data low because it's like 2 candles after. But from the Nvidia earnings. Um Orange folder. I don't use Uh, Forex Factory. I use Financial Juice. It's Financial Juice is for futures. So I use Financial Juice. Forex Factory is for commodities. So it's a little bit different. Sometimes it'll be marked red folder and it doesn't affect us, or sometimes it'll be marked like what's the bias today? Well, it was bullish for data highs, but now I'm bearish for the data lows from NVIDIA earnings because we inversed the hourly gap here. So this hourly gap getting inversed shows that we're bearish. So yeah, I can hear you now. Well, us inversing this just made me like, because normally data highs are really strong, but we just inverse this and we do have the data lows from NVIDIA earnings. From how many days ago? I don't remember how many days ago it was, but it was the NVIDIA. Yeah. Now, since we have confirmed bearish order flow with that hourly inverse, I'm kind of hoping to see we get a pullback here. Kind of hoping we get a pullback so we could get like a short setup. Maybe we close this 5-minute here, pull back to the 5-minute, and then short setup to the data lows. Or we'll just dump to data lows. What? Well, we didn't take it yet. Yeah, I would. We just didn't get any today. Bro, we took one the other day. Remember? We took one the other day. And you said Jackson took the same one. It was the 5-minute setup. It was last week. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Well, if we trade it, well, we missed a PM and um well yeah. I think we should, well, the one yesterday. But that was lunch. Yeah, you did. You didn't, if you didn't take it, you missed it. If you didn't take it, you missed it. Yeah, you forward tested it. No, bro, you tried to fill out your contract and you missed it. Yeah, but that was like an A+ setup. We could sweep the low and get a mech model off of it, but see if we form this 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie, Ian. I feel like when it closes too close, like today. Ian, look at my stream. Ian, oh my gosh. Look at my stream real quick. Okay. TP would have been smashed twice. Better at longs than shorts. Not that you're better at longs than shorts. The market's just supposed to long. It's supposed to go up. Advertise somewhere. What should, bro? Okay. In so the setup earlier, right? You see my stream? There should be like no delay. We're delivering off a higher time frame gap here. We sub sell side. I just don't feel like going back and drawing it out again. But this was the inverse, right? And my target was this. Yeah. Shouldn't be that delayed. You see this? See how close the entry is to the target? I feel like there's no point in taking this because what are the chances that it just like goes all the way up here without retracing here? Well, we did. Well, no, this was earlier, but we did sweep something here. But this was a good setup, and I tried to set a limit order for here, and it didn't let me set up the order right. But you can see if you entered here, you would have gotten just hoped for that retracement for your entry, and then you would have gotten it. But I mean, unfortunately, this one still didn't hit it. But it would have been a better entry than entering all the way up there. So I feel like I don't I don't normally like limit orders, but I feel like for that, that's something I would use it. Bro, because I was getting mad that it went like, bro, dude, dude, no, because I went to set up the limit order to enter and then it just took off at like it rejected my limit order because I realized I was on the wrong contract. I was on NQ and I put 10 and I can only use 6 on NQ. So, because I tried to put 10 because I thought I was on micros. I was like, damn. I would keep changing my strategy to be honest. Keep Nasdaq on its toes. No, thank you. No, we're not. We're at 44 viewers, bro. Screw you. Ian told me we're at 100 viewers right now. Don't chase trades. Yeah, 100%. What's up, Justin? I feel like Peanut might start hating on you again, Justin. Was it Justin or was it Chris that he was hating on, bro? It was some random like regular name. Bro, regular name. I just got hit with AD. Damn, the famous changing with you. Changing with you. Oh, you got hit with an ad, bro. I didn't do that, bro. My YouTube's monetized, so it automatically just sends out ads. It was Peanut. Facts, bro. It was Justin. Lock in, bro. I didn't send the ad, bro. It automatically sends ads. Oh, bro. I'm wrong tab. But now we're just waiting for this data load, to be honest. Either whether we get a pullback to this 5 minute, because we just formed the 5 minute, whether we get this, or we get like a Mac model here like this. Just really want to see what we get. I distracted Loganito on his long. No, I tried to get in, bro, and I entered with 10 cons on NQ, and it doesn't let you. How am I demonetized? I'm not. I just got monetized, I said. I got monetized, that's why it sent out ads. I said I didn't send out the ad. It just does send out the ads. So we have a 3 minute here. We have like nothing to look for an inverse on here. He was complaining, saying I sent him an ad and said I switched up on him. So we inverse the 30-second there technically. But dude, that is, I don't know if I would enter off of a 3 tick gap. That's not even a point. I don't know. And the stop loss would be huge. Ginormous. Ginormous stop loss. Yeah, now you do. That's why I don't like them anymore. They got rid of Trade of 8. It's like our final sell side here. I need a trade today. I need a trade today. We got rid of Trade of 8. Top step. Drake is doing his thing right now. We'll prop him around, take profit trader. You, Ian. You know there's a discount right now for the activation fees with Apex. It's Apex, the 90% off and $85 activation fee. They're 90% off and they are 90% off and $85 activation fee. Normally it's like 150, dude. Gonna have to cop one. Not a bad setup. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm definitely over risking here. Yeah. You got a good fill? I'm targeting the all right, I'm gonna stop to break even, to be honest. Don't necessarily want to be in this, I guess. I don't know. Just you're right about. We have sell side below and everything. All right, so I'm out there. Yeah, I'd rather. We're not delivering off anything either. No, I'm not. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I would I feel like I would regret it if I took this loss. That's why. It went green and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk it. I got a chance to get out break even in a trade that I'd probably regret if I lost. Especially with the chop here at the end, dude. So I don't really want to. You know, I since I know I would regret it if I lost that, I was fine with closing it. My Apex loadout X20. What? If I would have gotten a better fill, I might have stayed in, but no, it was horrible, dude. Look at where my fill was. My fill was all the way up here. My fill was up here. So I would have only been break even. Well, that would have been TP, but I would have preferred this. I literally clicked it when we were here and it just shut up. But a lot of accumulation. Now I'm not trading today. Missed out on 2 entries. I'm not letting FOMO get to me. Yeah, that's why I closed it. I don't want to. I don't want to. What? But yeah, we could still get something today. But I feel like we just have a bunch of sell side below. If we close above 5 minute, I would enter off of that. I decide when to enter off the retrace. That's just like up to you. Like for me, it would have just been better because like entry just sucked, bro. My fill was horrible, but my fill was almost at the break even, dude. Or negative R to the break even. Yeah, I just didn't like it because we weren't delivering off anything. Delivered off a 1 minute breaker block, bruh. What happened on my stuff? Where's my sell side that I drew out? My data low. Can you see it? No, not really, dude. I don't really use breaker blocks. I'm assuming low, higher, high. So I don't know. Breaker block will be somewhere in here. Bruh. Yeah, it already made the high. Breaker block is small bears candle barely closed. Sucks that we might not get anything today though. What's up, Thomas? Ian? Okay, I didn't know if you were there or not. One down close as CISD or only series. It doesn't matter either one. I don't know, guys. This might be my first red week. I've only taken one like full trade this week, and it was a loss. All my other ones were like break even. Of course, Vlad, my $10,000 course paid off. Okay, bro. $10,000 course is crazy. So you do have this like possible continuation. 3 minute. Saw the 1 minute. Yeah, there's a 3 minute. That is such a far close on that one. I'm not gonna lie. Like the only problem with this is it's just so low. Ian, what are you thinking? Did you get him? Ian? Ian, did you get him? We entered it. We closed below on the 3 minute as well. This isn't horrible. It's just very far in discount. Well, no, we're delivering off a 5 minute. We're delivering off the 5 minute above it. That first inverse doesn't really matter. Where even would sell side be? I don't know. The only thing I don't like about this is just so far in discount. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Right now would be the time for a retracement entry. Well, no, you could still enter. It is. No, I'm saying you could still enter because it is still pulled back. But for like the limit order thing, it's still pulled back. But no, I would do 8 if I did it. But are people actually asking me that? Okay, because I was about to say. I know I'm changing it, but the only reason because I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I don't wanna. What? Oh, that would have been a crash out moment right there because it's too far in discount. I would have been like, no, I took such a stupid trade. Hmm. Hmm. Now we have this after re-sweeping the high. Well, we have a 15-minute. Well, in 30 seconds, not bad, bro. We did deliver off the 15-minute just now. We tapped into the 15-minute. Oh, no, wait, no, we didn't. Let me fix this. I don't know why it's like that. We almost tapped into it. We could tap into it now. Yeah. There's still possibility for setups, but maybe that 30-second was the move. Maybe, I don't know. But we do have a 1 minute now. Really freaking far. Okay, we tapped into the 15-minute there. So we just tapped into the 15-minute there. This one would have a better break even with this internal low. Yeah. 50 viewers. Oh shit, we are at 50 viewers. Let's go. Do you think session ranges would be useful? Yeah, like highs and lows. You mean? I don't know. Now we're just chopping, dude. For the ad, bro. I didn't send an ad, bro. Oh, bro, I did not send an ad, bro. I was reading chat. Um, wait, what were we talking about? You said. So, do you think session ranges would be useful? Session ranges. You mean like session highs and lows, like London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low. Like point ranges. Oh, I don't really know. I'm not sure. I don't really use that. We didn't form any gaps there, dude. We're just sitting up here. It literally this one wick. After micro, what time is macro? Macro is 9:50 to 10:10 and 10:50 to 11:10. Last 10 minutes, first 10 minutes of the candle of the hour. All right. Sorry, guys. Is a 5 minute a good setup? What 5 minute? Not really. Yeah, if we inverse the 15 minute, saying the 5 minute targeting that 15 minute. I mean, the 15 minute wasn't even formed yet, but the 5 minute would have been entering in another 5 minute. Are you talking about this 5 minute that we're about to inverse in 8 seconds if we inverse it? No, I wouldn't like that. So we did inverse it there, but again, I don't really like it. It's not the highest time frame. Possible 2-minute short here. So we are still delivering off that 15-minute. Straight up. Yes, that's good. Well, not really depends on your time frame on limit. In session, it is necessary to have all that marked out. Wait, question. I'm learning to trade right now. I have some struggles. I'm having trouble finding levels to target or finding my daily bias. Definitely check out my video on daily bias then if you're struggling. It's a video on higher time frame bias. Oh, reader. Some people mark out weak highs and lows. I'll do like previous day high or low or session lows and highs. We do have a possible short here. Delivering off the 15-minute. Struggling had me baffled. No, bro, no, it didn't. Oh, that is a far close, dude. Holy crap. Holy moly. I think we're just chopping so much. We did just pull back. But it would be like this, but again, just watching this. I did not take this, guys. Just to see that paragraph made bro lock in. Facts, bro. I know previous day low got took, but would have that been a valid price point to target? Yeah, sure. Got hit at break even. Watch it smack TP. Why shorts though? Because we're bearish right now. But again, I'm not in this. No, I'm not, and you would see it. Already answered, but price is dropping so much. Oh, you're in this? You told me he reads at the 5th grade reading level. Bro, no, I don't, dude. He reads in candlesticks and wicks now. Facts, dude. Ian, what do you think of this 2-minute setup? Bruh. Okay, 1 minute. You can see it on the 1 minute. It looks exactly the same on the 2-minute. Literally exactly the same, yeah. Yeah, it's 2 minutes short. Well, now it's kind of depressed. I would have been break even there. So it's too late to enter now. I'm really hesitant with reversals. Just because I don't know. Just because of like, or not reversals. I'm really hesitant with continuations because I feel like continuations were already so far in discount, you know? I don't want to take a short when we're in discount. So it just feels weird, you know, taking continuations. You get what I mean, Ian? We did just form a CISD there. That's even better. But no, I'm not in the short. You would see my executions, Vlad. I'm really hesitant with continuations, dude. It's weird. It's like I feel like I'm already so far in discount. I don't want to short. Do you get what I mean, Ian? Like it feels like we're already so far in discount, and we already took out the sell side. Like if we didn't take sell side already, I would be a little more fine with this short. But damn, dude, seems like this might be a. There's a 1 hour. Might be about to hit partials. Okay, so that would be partials there. OTP all the way down here. Damn, dude. I mean, this level is a protected list, so you could just do a full TP here. My country. Wait. How do you see the longs? Yeah, logged off. My country is like 17. We'll go up. Nice. Shorts is valid. Looks like a 15-minute. Going to Vlad. Don't touch grass, bro. Shorts. Yeah, shorts aren't bad, but 15-minute. Going to form a bearish OB. Yeah, maybe. Oh. Okay, so that would have been TP, damn. So I missed 2 full TPs today. That's crazy, dude. Anybody take that? Bro, I need to start taking stuff, bro. I just continuations are not like my thing, bro. I'm not really the best with continuations. Ian, you see that, bro? That's crazy work, bro. Crazy work. What time is it now? All right. Now, I do want to see, there is one last possible thing we could get. One very, very last possible thing. If we sweep this south side, we could get a mech model off of it. If we sweep it and leave a gap here. Other than that, we might be cooked, chat. This might be my first red week. Okay, so we just took it here. Just took this outside. So that would be a full TP there. You got stopped out. How'd you get stopped out? Are you talking about me? Oh, him? I don't know how he got stopped out. It's kind of crazy work. Bye, guys. You go touch grass. All right, bro. See you. See ya. See ya. We put in a 5 minute? No, we didn't put it in. Said bye, Vladdy Poo. Bro, he took the win earlier, bro. I recommend him to go touch grass. Okay, and you see the Mac model? Break it would be at the 5 minute. Oh, it's on the 2 minute. Bro, but we didn't inverse the 15 minute in. 15 minutes a higher time frame. That one matters more. No, that's not. That's bro. This is the same gap. I'm just, bro. The thing that threw me off is how small the gap is. Bro, don't do that, bro. So we have a 2 minute, but it's like entering at the 3 minute. So it's like, bruh. It's like, bruh. Yeah, no, just no setup here, bruh. All right, bro. What are we doing? I said six, bro. Shut up. Okay, we delivered off of that 5 minute gap. I don't really want to short air. Someone send something to the Discord. Bro, there's not even an inverse there. I mean, unless he's not showing it. You missed the 30-second shorts. 30-second shorts. Nah. Yeah, this one was too far in discount. This one wasn't. This one wasn't too far in discount, but feels like it looking at this higher time frame. But in the 2 minute was a tiny gap. What time frame do you use to determine premium and discount? It's kind of hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I would have drawn it out like this from AM, from the open. But yeah, now it's 11 guys. Probably gonna be done here. There's nothing else. Probably gonna get today. I'm gonna get off. I might look at lunch like I posted about yesterday, if we get anything. But yeah, I'm gonna get off a stream here and I'll talk to you guys later. Midstream today, I missed 2 winning setups, but it's all good. I'll see you guys later.